Let's read the next word problem. The seating capacity of a playground is 20,750. If there were 8,500 women and 11,200 men present for a function, how many seats remained vacant? Now, in the given word problem, first let us write the information that is given to us. The information given is the capacity of playground is 20,750. Capacity of playground means how many people can sit at a time to watch the match, maybe the cricket match or the football match. Now, the number of men are 11,200 and the number of women are 8,500. Now, what are we asked to find out? We have to find out number of vacant seats. Vacant seats means empty seats. Now, which operation are we going to do first? First, we will add the number of men and women. Then, what are we going to do next? After we get the sum of the number of men and women, we are going to subtract that sum from the capacity of playground. That means from 20,750. And after subtracting, the answer that we get, that is the number of seats that have remained vacant. That means that have remained empty. So now let's begin with the method. Now let's begin with the method. First, we are going to write the number of men, that is 11,200. Then the number of women, that is 8,500. Now we are going to add, we'll put a plus sign and add and find the total number of people. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1. So 19,700 is the sum of the number of men and women. Now we go to the next operation. Here, first we are going to write the capacity of playground, of seating arrangement in the playground, that is 20,750. Then the sum that we got after adding the number of men and women, that is 19,700. Now here we are going to subtract to find out the remaining vacant seats. So let's begin. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 minus 9 we cannot subtract, so we will borrow, make it less by 1, and here add the 10. So 10 minus 9 will give me 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I got 1050. Answer: these are the seats that have remained vacant, that have remained empty. So vacant seats is 1050. Our next word problem. Rambhau had rupees 15,000. He bought fodder worth rupees 8,570 and other animal feed worth rupees 4,950. How much money did he have left? Now in the given word problem, first we are going to write the information that is given to us. Amount he had is rupees 15,000. Cost of fodder is rupees 8,570. Cost of animal feed is rupees 4,950. Now what have we to find out? We have to find the amount left with him. So now what operation we are going to carry out first? First, we will add the cost of fodder and the cost of animal feed. Now, after we get the sum of the cost of fodder and animal feed, then what are we going to do next? We will subtract that sum from the amount he had. So he had 15,000. So we are going to subtract the sum from 15,000. And the answer that we get is the amount left with Rambhau. So now let's begin with the method. Now let's begin with the method. First, we are going to write the cost of fodder, that is 8,570, and the cost of animal feed, that is 4,950. Now we are going to find out the sum, so we'll put the plus sign and add. We begin from the units place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry over 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry over 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13,520, that is the sum of fodder and animal feed. Now we go to the next operation. First, we write the amount that Rambhau had in all, that is 15,000. Then the amount that he spent on fodder and animal feed, that is 13,520. This is the amount we got by adding. We subtract to find out how much is left with Rambhau. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 we cannot subtract, so we borrow. Again there is a 0, so we go further to borrow. Make it less by 1, that is 4, and bring the 10 there. So it becomes 10. Now we again have to borrow, so make it less by 1, that is 9, and borrow the 1, so it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 gives me 8. 9 minus 5 gives me 4. 4 minus 3 gives me 1. And 1 minus 1 gives me 0. So 1,480, this is the amount that is left with Rambhau. So for answer, we are going to write rupees 1,480 is left with Rambhau.